Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. Our today's topic is computer memory and storage devices. Children, your brain helps you to remember things, like it stores information and helps to recall whenever you need. Similarly, computers also have memory which store instructions and information. So, the data information that we fed into the computer stored in some storage media. So, the storage capacity of a computer is called its memory. Now, memory storage. Computer stores data and instructions in the form of binary digits 0 and 1. These two digits are used in programming language called binary language. Next is units of memory. Children, as you know, we need units to measure any quantity. For example, we use liters to measure liquid, meters to measure length. Similarly, the data of computer is measured in bits, bytes and other units. Bit is the smallest unit of computer memory. A group of 4 bits is called a nibble and a group of 8 bits is called a byte. Higher units of computer memory are given in the table. Memory measurements are 8 bits is equal to 1 byte and 1024 bytes is equals to 1 kilobyte or KB, and 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte or MB, and 1024 megabytes is equals to 1 gigabyte or GB, and 1024 gigabytes is equals to 1 terabyte or TB, and 1024 terabytes is equals to 1 petabyte or PB. Now, types of memory. Computer memory is of two types, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as internal or main memory. It is present inside the CPU and it stores data and instructions currently used by the computer. It has two types, RAM and ROM. First is RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It contains several microchips and it is called read-write memory. It means we can read information from it as well as write instructions on it. RAM stores information in the form of electric signals. It is a volatile memory. It means RAM stores information as long as the computer is switched on. If you shut down the computer, then the stored information in RAM will be removed. Second is ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a type of memory in which the information can only be read. It is a non-volatile memory as it permanently stores the information so that you can retain information even when the computer is switched off. There are three types of ROM: PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. It is a memory chip which stores programs, but the information has been stored cannot be changed. Next is EPROM. It stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. The information in it can be erased by exposing it into ultraviolet light. Last is EEPROM. It stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. The information in it can be erased using electrical signals, and it is widely used in today's computers. So children, we will learn something new in our next video. Till then, bye and have a nice day.